Good morning everyone, it is Vlogmas day 5. I am just about to literally run out the door because I've got a nail appointment. I have just filmed a video for my Instagram for a brand, which I'm really excited for. I've edited Vlogmas nearly completely. I need to finish that when I get home. And I am in desperate need of getting my nails done. They're really grown out and my hair's started to get caught on the base, so that's a sign they need being done. So I'm gonna go get my birthday nails. I'm thinking a nude with a silver glitter because of what I'm wearing. I think, again, I haven't really decided what I'm wearing. I've not been very organised, but I need to head out the door in 2 minutes. So let me go throw some clothes on because I'm literally still in my pajamas, and then we'll hit the road. I have a feeling this is how the next few days are gonna go for me. And I haven't had breakfast. And oh, on the way back from the nail place, because I have to walk because I still don't have a car, on the way back from the nail place I'm gonna pop into my local like party shop and order all of the balloons because I'm having a shit ton of balloons at my party. So yeah, right, let me out for the day. Pure glamour. This isn't sped up, this is actually how quickly I'm walking. I'm so late.
And warm. In here you find both young and old, seeking shelter.
Oh my god, that's so satisfying. I like that one.
It's the spirit of the season to open up.
We got like these silvers.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that's so fun.
It's
that's
cool,
like
isn't it?
Christmas.
With the flesh.
Yeah. I'm so in love. Don't they look amazing? Now I need to go and order all of my balloons for Saturday, so I will chat to you after. I'm gonna get glittery balloons that match my nails. Classic. Alright guys, she's home. She is home. I think I'm wearing silver to the party, so sorted it out. I also just realised I don't have milk. Oh my god, I've literally just been into town and I didn't buy milk. Do I have anything I can eat that doesn't involve... I'm gonna have dry cereal. Cookie crisp for breakfast with no cereal. Cereal, milk. Oh my god. I just ordered all the balloons. There's a lot. I don't know if you guys have been watching me for this long, but not last year, the year before, I had a party at my dad's house and there were balloons coming from the ceiling and it looked epic. And I'm so happy I have high ceilings because it means I can do it at my house. So I've ordered like 30 balloons to be coming from the ceiling. Once I've enjoyed my delicious and nutritious breakfast, I need to edit the video I filmed this morning and send it off. And then that is all of my sponsored content done until before the party. Until after that, sorry. Okay, everything's gonna be okay. We can do this. Okay, I have edited the video I filmed today. I've edited today's Vlogmas, I edited the sponsored video, sent it off, so I'm feeling a lot lighter today. I was feeling very, very stressed and very overwhelmed yesterday. I'm not sure if you could tell. By the end of the vlog, I was just like, I hadn't filmed anything for a few hours and I'd just been listening to the boys DJing in my living room and just doing stuff on my laptop because I was stressed. But I got everything done. Loads of stuff for the party has arrived. So the kind of colour scheme I've gone for is silver and gold because that's just what I've been into recently. Like, silver and gold get so much shit for mixing. I love it. Like, I wear silver and gold rings, so I got my nails to match. They're nude with silver and gold glitter, and all of the balloons are clear with silver glitter with gold ribbon and gold glitter with silver ribbon. When I go for a theme, I go for a theme. The girls are just sending me pictures of what they're wearing, so I'm really excited. I have 3 dresses and I'm not sure which one I want to wear. One of them is like really comfortable but really extra. One of them is really uncomfortable but really like sexy, and one of them is really tight and probably the one I'm least likely to wear. But yeah, everything's starting to get exciting now. The flat is starting to come together. So yesterday I built the DJ booth out of boxes. So I'm excited about that because I'm putting the boxes to use. I'm having pick and mix because sweets are my favorite thing. So we're having cocktails, we're having pick and mix. Hopefully tonight me and Tim are going to go to the shops, party food, things that are on my list that need to get ticked off. Hopefully tonight will be the night that we get that done. And then I think I'll just be able to relax and enjoy myself. But I'm such a perfectionist and I like things to look the way I want them to look. And like, I know that nobody knows how I want things to be. Like, no one can see inside my head, so no one's gonna be disappointed. Like, everyone's gonna have a nice time regardless. But it's just me. I'm like, I have certain standards that I want to hit for everything and it has to look amazing. Still got a lot of work to do and I'm in Brighton tomorrow. So today, tonight, tomorrow night and then Saturday morning is all I've got left. But now that my 2 sponsorships are done, I mean, they might want some amendments, but now the bulk of it is done. Hopefully now I can just focus on the party, I hope. I'm gonna do some more tidying in a second, but first I'm just gonna have a look at the options of outfits that Liz has sent to me and then I'll get back to you. I'm just looking at my YouTube analytics, you guys, and 30% of you aren't subscribed. 30% of my average viewers are not subscribed. And only 10% of you have my notifications turned on. I'm going to make a polite request that you subscribe and you turn on your post notifications because there's going to be a video every day and you don't want to miss them, okay? So please do that for me. I'd really, really appreciate it. I have some milestone goals that I would like to hit in the next year and that would really help and I'll love you forever. Hello. I'm going to do a boring, monotonous task with you now. I was telling you in the last vlog that I have ordered 50 small glass liquor bottles. I wasn't joking, they've arrived, they're here. They're here. I need to fill them all with vodka. So I'm gonna do that with you now. I'm just waiting for Tim to get home because we're gonna go to Sainsbury's and do the pre-party shop. And I'm having a pick and mix, so I also get to go basically sweet shopping. This party is just all of my favorite things. Ow. I actually love how vanilla vodka smells. There we go. 1 down, 49 to go. Oh, that's definitely too much. Oh no, Emma, you're spilling it everywhere. Tim's gonna be home and be like, have you been drinking because you stink of vodka? No, no, just bathing in it. Just bathing in vodka. My cocktail sign has arrived. I had a cocktail sign and it was at my last party. But somebody smashed it, which really pissed me off because they didn't apologise. Which, like, I don't mind if you break it, just apologise. I had to buy a new one for this party. I say I had to. I wanted to because I wanted to have one. It's part of the vibe, you know? I realised, literally as I was walking home from the party shop where I purchased the balloons, I realised I don't have a car at the moment, so I'm gonna have to transport like 30, 40 balloons with the help of my wonderful friends doing balloon runs for me. These feel like really big drinks. I think I'm gonna get everyone mashed. So tomorrow is an exciting day. I'm heading down to Brighton to go and meet someone who I've wanted to meet for a very long time, to have something done by someone I've wanted to have done for a long time, and I think it's gonna be amazing. Your guys' guesses of like what I'm having done is really funny. Like, loads of you think it's a boob job or getting my nipples pierced. It's neither of those things. Yeah, I think a lot of people, because I've lost this weight, I think a lot of people are assuming I'm getting my boobs done the day before my party. I don't think so. Not anytime soon. I wish that was on camera, you guys. Honestly, I think that was the best catch of my life. I don't want a repeat of my perfume, not today. I'm gonna turn this off now. Finish doing this until I run out of VOD. And then I'm gonna do some more tidying, some more cleaning, and then I'll take you guys to Sainsbury's with us. Okay, this is as far as the ones with the lids are the ones I've done. The one without the lids are the ones I haven't done. So I'm like, I've done about 30. Got another like 20 to go. I'm only doing 50. I say only, that's a lot, but it's enough for everyone to have one pp. Good evening, everyone. I just went and dropped notes around my neighbours to let them know that I'm having a party on Saturday night. And I met my new neighbour who moved in upstairs, and he seemed very friendly, so fingers crossed no one gets angry at me. And now we are... That looked like Barney.
Yeah, it looked like Barney, was it Tony?
Didn't it look like Barney? Yeah, that was weird. I actually thought it was. I was like, what is Barney doing here? Sorry, that just looked like Tim's old housemate. Yeah, now we're going to Sainsbury's, and I've got a big old list of things to get. And a big thing on the list is sweets, which is my favourite thing to shop for. Alright. We got so many pick and mix. We got Star Mix, squashies, straws, wine gums, flying saucers because Tim likes them. We got random sours and reduced sugar sours. I mean randoms, not sours. Well, we got them all. Whatever your preference. We got it. We're gonna have some salmon for dinner. Right, I need to clear these shelves because this is where I'm gonna put the pick and mix. I'm also gonna have a product pick and mix where I'm gonna have loads of beauty products I don't need and that I'm sure my friends will love, or my friends' friends, or my friends' girlfriends, or my friends' mums, or whatever. I'm sure they'll get more use out of it than I will. So I'm putting together product pick and mix and like sweet pick and mix. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Tim did the cooking tonight. God, yours looks so good.
Yeah.
Do you have enough hands? Yeah. He also offered me a tea without wanting one himself.
Best boyfriend ever.
Tim is really gaining some boyfriend points this evening. I don't know what I've done. I think it's because I'm stressed.
Hello.
You haven't been on the vlog much recently, Tim. Do you have anything to say?
No. I missed you. I missed you all. You.
Not you.
You.
I hoped it'd be you.
I
hoped it'd be every single one of you. You know, I've had dreams. One day, all of you.
So that one time it was all of you.
Except for you. That is honestly one of my favourite openings to a thing ever.
So clever. Last episode.
Is it?
Yeah, it's the trial.
How have we not watched it?
No, last episode was the trial.
How have we not watched it? We got so into it.
Oh, that was close. And you clicked to the end.
Oh God. We're watching Broadchurch. I've got a cup of tea in bed. Huh?
Got a new pillow.
Oh.
Got 5 pillows, eh?
Mhm. Life of luxury here, Tim. We're having a really early night. It's like 9:30, but I just...
9:44.
Right, I need to get up at 6, so this is good. I'm getting up at 6 because I need to go to Brighton tomorrow.
This morning you were just like...
This morning I slept until 7:30. My alarm went off at 6.
Fuck.
But I've got an exciting day tomorrow.
You
they
do?
don't know what it is. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
I wish you could come with me. I'm scared.
Me too. Should I tell my work you're having an operation?
I am.
Well, they know
also,
when they're watching this. That's what that's going to be.
They'll know, but they won't have seen it because I'll probably post on my stories that I'm with G. So they'll know who she is, but they won't know what I've got. I'm absolutely terrified to tell my dad.
It's gonna be fine. It'll be fine.
My dad hates tattoos.
Sorry.
I have been putting off getting one purely because of my dad. I've wanted one since I was like 10 years old. I've always been obsessed with them. I know what I want. I have an appointment booked with G. I guess now you guys know what I'm doing tomorrow. And I'm really excited. And I haven't told my dad yet. I'm going to tell him tomorrow morning. Maybe I should film my reaction. His reaction.
Oh my god, no. I think you're honestly you're overthinking it. I think he's not gonna actually, he might not be happy.
He's not gonna be angry, he's gonna be disappointed. That's equally as bad. I'm a grown woman, I'm 23 the next day. We're gonna go to bed now. That was a long, rambly chat. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Again, quite a chilled day, a lot of tidying, so not much to film. We'll see you in the morning. Good night.
See ya.